what's up guys? I have done the laptop setup. It is not a Windows 9, not 8, not 7. It is a Windows 11. Guys, see the Windows start button. It was here, now it is here. See the voice of the error of Windows 11. Now hear the voice and see this all apps. See the apps, where are they stored? So this is a simple way to download it, but it will take more time. First you have to go to this show more links. Here is mirror one. Click. If you click on this, here download is there. Click on that. After 10 seconds it will start download. If not, click on download, go down in next page, go down, and here something is written, so read it, and after 10 seconds it will not download, so click on there to start download. So it will start like this. Guys, I have downloaded already, because that's why it is looking like this. You are thinking like I am changed the theme only and apps, but it is not this. See the edition. It is Windows 11 Home single language. So after this it will start download. It will take time, 1 day and so many hours. So after downloading it will come like this zip. Click on that, copy all this and make a new folder and paste it. After this, click on the setup. All rules and regulations you have to follow. After rules and regulation follow, it will say this is not means if your laptop is 1 year less than and SSD is large, so you can do the Windows 11 setup. For this, it is their app. It is named Health Checkup, PC Health Checkup. So I think this is it. So go there, click. Go there. It is loading. Click on check now. It is saying this PC can't run because it is 5 years old and SSD is slow down, means it is low. It needs 64 or 40 GB SSD. So I have done without this. It was saying you need a TPM 2.0 version. So we have to simple do like this. First we have to go in this website. Here is fix error, PC can't run, to be zip. Click on there, this. Then after it will give the appraisers DLL. So we have to copy it. Click here and paste it in this. You can see the appraisers DLL. So we have to copy it. After that it will not show an error to this. So guys, in this the serious settings, our time has done, update and security. See the backgrounds also, picture, you can set this style, center or fill. It is too much great Windows updates and take a lot of time. Then after this, click on the setup Here is the setup. After setup, follow the rules which you want. A blue. So if you are possible, if your laptop is taking, so you can install. Otherwise, you can do like this. I said it. Copy it and appraiser TLL. Download from here and see the Microsoft Store. All are the Android apps. See, Angry Birds 2 is an Android app. Roblox is an Android app. See, Gummy Drop, Burger, and this all. WhatsApp, Instagram, Mud Runner, Human Fall Flat, Buddy Kicks 3D. This Kick the Buddy is in the Android. City Racing 2, another Fruit Slicing Flipkart is an Android app, and it is set in this Windows 11. So many features are there. So if you like it, please subscribe it, like it, and bye. Look the wallpaper and bye.